guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 3 of March. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting off with electricity is getting its usual $50. And you guys, I will be announcing the winner of my crossbody Lux wallet and the manifest necklace, so stay tuned for that. Next is car insurance, and car insurance is getting $45. I just paid my car insurance, so $45. Okay, on to my cash envelopes. Alright, so let's see if we have any money left over from last week. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and you guys already know these 5s is going into my $5 saving jar, and these dollars is going to my kids' piggy bank. And you guys, I will be doing an update very soon on that. Groceries is getting as usual $120, so 120. Next is gas, and gas is getting $40 this week. The reason why gas is getting $40 is because we are planning to go out this weekend. And $20 isn't gonna cut it, so 40 is in gas. Next is spending, and spending is getting $20. And beauty is getting $5. Alright guys, on to my sinking funds. Alright, so starting off with Lanesia is getting $25. Lanesia has 5, 6,000, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 50, 70, 90, 7,010, 35, 45. So Lanesia has $7,045. Alright, on to Jaden. Jaden is also getting $25. Okay, so Jaden has 5, 6,000, 5, 6, 700, 50, 70, 90, 8, 10, 8, 30, 5, 40, 5, 50. So Jaden has $6,850. Next is family time, and family time is getting $10. We have 1, 2, 3, 400, 50, 60, 75, 80. So 480 in family time. Alright guys, so we're gonna announce the first place winner. So let's do that right now. So this is comment picker right here, and it chooses a winner randomly. So let's start the raffle. Let's see who our first place winner. Alright, congratulations to Ron 1967 Budget and Self-Care. Her comment says the Stiller, but only because a family friend's son played for them. My brother lives in Eagle Country, but is a Giants fan. All right, let me just double check and make sure I'm able to see if she subscribed to both our channels. So let's do that right now. All right, so I just confirmed she is subscribed to both our channels. So again, congratulations, Taran 1967. You won the crossbody Lux wallet. Okay, I'm gonna continue stuffing the envelopes, and I'll let you guys know who won the manifest necklace. All right, so on to Drip. Drip is getting $20. I just bought me some clothes, guys, and I spent under 100, so I'm gonna be taking the money out of here soon. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 25. So we have 125 in Drip. Onto my emergency fund binder. Okay, so starting off with my cash emergency fund. So my cash emergency fund right now is fully funded at $2,000. So we're gonna skip that right now. Home emergency fund is getting $200. So 200. And let's see how much we have in my home emergency fund. So we have $5, $6, $7, $8,000. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $9,000. 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 45, 50. So we have 9,450 in my home emergency fund and 2,000 in my cash emergency fund. Oh guys, let's do a nail cam. So here it is. This is polygel. I did this set like a couple days ago. It's cute, it's neutral, and I like it. It's basic and simple. Alright, so on to my car emergency fund, and that is getting $10. You guys, I also have my bestseller bracelets back in stock. Well, I'm gonna update inventory on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. And I'll have matching anklets with this. And here's another bracelet that will be in my my shop. It's so cute, and it has hearts and bells on it, and it's adjustable. And I have this one too. This is a 5-color stone one, and it also is adjustable, and it has hearts and a bell on there. So that's a lot thinner than my bangle set, but it's really cute. I like it. You guys hear the jingle? I love the jingle. Alright, so we have 1,000, 5, 6, 700, 20, 30, 40. So 1,740 in my car emergency fund. Alright, health emergency fund is getting $10 as well. So we have 5, 6, 7, 800, 20, 30, 40. So 840 in my health emergency fund. Alright, on to my scratch off challenge. And I already did scratch off the amounts already. So I scratched off the $25 from the gold, I believe. Let me just double check. So 25 from the gold and 150 from the diamond. So the total is $175. Okay, onto my pink binder. Okay, so On to Christmas. Christmas is getting $20 today. You guys, happy Friday. You guys have any plans this weekend? It's a little bit chilly from where I'm at, but we're planning to go out this weekend. So we have 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 30, 45. So 245 in Christmas. Back to school is getting $5. Lanisha has a book fair coming up soon, so she's gonna take this $20. So we have 10, 15, 20. Last time she bought a Frozen notebook and also a donut pointer. Next is Invest, and Invest is getting $20. Last is Gifts, and Gifts is getting $100. The reason why Gifts is getting $100 is because we are going to a birthday party this weekend, so I'm gonna give them $100. So we have 50, 100, 20, 30, 5, 40. So we have 140 in gifts. And we're not stuffing my 52-week savings challenge. Alright, now time to pick the second place winner. Alright, so we're gonna pick our second place winner, who's gonna win the Manifest necklace. So let me actually screenshot her real quick. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so half a dozen of chaos said congratulations on 2K and hashtag Dallas Cowboys. So let me confirm. Alright, congratulations, half dozen of chaos. I am able to confirm that you are publicly subscribed to us. So you won the Manifest necklace, and please comment. I'll reach out to you and just let me know which style you want. You want it in a color gold or silver. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.